Which means a profit so far this year of 1,800 billion. Splendid!
I made a lot of money off of them.
All right, put the money in.
Money, 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 money.
Disclaimer. Before we get started, remember that Forex is a very risky business. Risk what you're able to afford.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
Bruh.
Be aware of scammers online. Do not pay anyone to trade for you. Do not buy signals online. And there's no such things as a perfect trader. Manage your emotions and conquer the trading world. Put in the work and enjoy your profit. In this video, I will show you how I was able to get to this point. I will show you the technical analysis and the charts and the secret strategies that I used.
In the meantime, what do you say we get down to business?
So in this case, as you can see, I'll be showing you the analysis that I used, that I was able to use so that I can come up with a profit. And as you can see here, I am marking the top area, and this top area is the equal highs. So these equal highs, normally in the prices, when you see equal highs, this means that the price is going to go down. So a previous high can 1 be taken down, 2 blocked, 3 rejected, or equal. So this, in this case, I was equal. It did not take the previous high out. It was relatively equal to that high. And in that case, this is a creation of something which is called liquidity pool. These are like the sell side. Above that area, we have orders, because this area is an area that people are going to enter to go down. And above that, we have stop losses of people who have entered so that they can catch this trade that I took. So price is going to go there. Price always hunts for liquidity stops. So as you can see, I am marking an area of taking profit. As you can see there, I have take profit, and I've also marked a breaker. So in this breaker, something about this breaker is that I thought it was going to be the breaker that was ideal, but it's not ideal, because on the high of the breaker, it was not taken out. If it was taken out, then that would have been considered a breaker. But you can see there, I have marked a breaker, which was a single liquidity, which was a liquidity void. And the liquidity void, you can see it was taken out, which I marked as our breaker. And when a breaker happens, we look for an entry area, and an entry area, then it can be given by so many things. We have an order block, or we have a fair value gap, and most cases order blocks happen and price is going to be blocked from going up, so it can go down. And a fair value gap, you do know it is the rapid move made by a market price. It goes down and it is going to get back. So in our fair value gap, given that it's going to be used as an entry or target, it was used as a target. As you can see, the price did retest to that area of gap, so it can confuse people to think that it did not, but it did make a small retest, and which is normally what we would want for it to do. When that was made, then I took that upon myself as an opportunity to get low. So as you can see, that was an entry and I took profit. Number one was profits that I was taking to the order block. No, sorry, to the breaker, what I initially thought was the breaker. And the other one was the low one, which one I thought was going to be, which I marked as take profit. So I have take profit 1, take profit 2. So for me, when price got to take profit one, I was satisfied with it. I didn't I just I took my profit and I went free, because the thing is, price can get to take profit too, or price cannot get to profit take profit too. But in this case, price got to take profit too, and I think it's going to take it out, so it's going to create a higher lower high at the low side, so that it can also create a very important area, so that we can go and hunt these orders that are above the relative high that was created. As you can see, this is easy because I've spent so much time on it. I've spent so much time working on it, so it's not something that comes overnight, but with your analysis you gain confidence by doing it over and over again. As you can see, price is going just above. It's going to retest to some place here, so it can create an important area that is going to be used as a breaker to the upward side, so that price can get to the relative high. So, and that is what I did. This is a very easy strategy for me. These things do not normally come every day, as they come once in a while, but due to practice, when you see them, you are very sure it's them, and you end up taking, because this is normally these are they're like miracles, you know. Not every day the market is going to offer a suitable place for you to enter, but it normally does offer a suitable place to enter. So when that happens, and you know, it is a win-win. So, and that is what happened. And as you can see, I do normally go to major time frames so that I can check my work. When I've checked my work, I like to be sure about it. This is also not to miss things, because remember, this is live, meaning there's so many people trading, and the big banks, they manipulate the bank. They they are controlling the bank, and they think because you have little money in it, then they're going to take all your money. This is what they do. So the thing is, when you protect your profits, initial profits, you have to be on the lookout for these people at the bank, because you are trading against them. And that is what I did. As you can see, I am checking other time frames, because I wanna be sure, also for study purposes. I think it's a good thing to study what something works out for you. You want to keep it in your diary, so that when you see it, you will just use it instead of, you know, worried. You remember, you are creating something for tomorrow. Okay, guys, that's it, and hopefully see you next time.